In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a deal in Pipedrive. This process takes just a few simple steps and will guide you through each of them to make sure you can do it with confidence and ease. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate over to the Pipedrive website. This is where all your sales management tools reside, and it's the hub for managing your deals and other activities. If you have it bookmarked, now's the time to click on it. If not, simply type Pipedrive into your browser and log into your account. Once you're on the site, you'll see the Login button right there. Click on it and enter your credentials just as you usually would. This brings you into the main interface where all your ongoing deals are displayed. Now, with your login successful, you'll find yourself on the Pipedrive homepage. This will be your starting point for managing everything. Look towards the menu bar, and you'll spot an option labeled Deals. Go ahead and click on it. It's your gateway to all the potential and ongoing deals handled through your account. Here, you should be able to see a list or a pipeline view of all your currently active deals. The next step is to select the specific deal you want to delete. You might have several lined up, so make sure you pick the correct one to avoid any mishaps. Click on the deal to open it. This will take you to a detailed view of that particular deal. Once you've got the detailed view of the selected deal, it's time to locate the action menu. Look for an icon with 3 dots. This is generally a standard way to indicate more options are available. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu should appear, revealing various actions you can take concerning this deal. From the drop-down menu, you'll want to look for the Delete option. Clicking Delete will prompt a confirmation or warning message. It's just a precaution to ensure you really want to delete it, as this action typically cannot be undone. When you're ready, confirm the deletion. This will remove the deal permanently from your pipeline, helping you keep your workspace organized and free from any deals that are no longer active or necessary. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to delete a deal in Pipedrive. Remember to always double-check your selections and make sure that you're removing only what you need to. With these steps, you can better manage your deals and keep the CRM as efficient as possible. Thank you for tuning in, and happy organizing!